In today's video, let me show you how you can connect AliExpress to Shopify. Welcome back to TechMan. Now, sign up for a Shopify account if you haven't already. From your dashboard, navigate to the search box on the top, go to the Shopify App Store, and search for DSers. Click Add App, then click Install App to integrate DSers with your Shopify store. After installation, open the DSers app from your Shopify dashboard, sign up for DSers account, and log in. DSers will automatically connect your Shopify store once the setup is complete. In DSers, go to the AliExpress authorization section, click on Authorize, and log into your AliExpress account. Grant DSers permission to access your AliExpress account. This will allow you to directly import products from AliExpress to Shopify. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.